here at Purposelypixel, and I'm here to talk about our sponsor, Xtreme Skins. I personally used Xtreme Skins on my Pixel 5 last year. I had a nice leather skin with a brushed titanium camera. It looked mint. Xtreme Skins kindly sent some samples over to us. I'll show you them today. I'll also do a little run through on their website and what you expect when you receive your order. So as you can see, a very clean looking website. There's a sexy pixel at the top there. Some samples of different skins they do. As I said, they do different phone skins, laptops, consoles, headphones, iPads, you name it, they do it. Let's go into phones. Let's go into lovely Google. Pixel 6 Pro. So you can have a full colour design, $8.99, very reasonable, or you can go custom. And then you can select each section how you want to have it. Just do a quick basic one just to show you. £10. Now that is quality. Okay, so here's some samples, and this is what you can expect to receive. Nice packaging. The skin itself, this one's a nice carbon fibre one for a Pixel 6. Look at the quality on that. Get a little cleaning cloth. Proper medical one. Really clean that device before you apply. And you get this wonderful card that says, "Thank you for your order, you're awesome. No Xtreme Skins, you're the ones that are awesome." Right, I'll just show you a few more of my favourites that they sent over. I love the wood effect ones. And you really need to feel one to appreciate the texture and quality of them. They also do the nice camo ones. It comes in black and green. And the brushed metal ones are excellent as well. Again, like I said, I used the brushed titanium on my Pixel 5 last year. I've currently got the brushed gold on my Pixel 6 Pro. Looks gorgeous. And of course the carbon fibre, that's the white copy. Fantastic quality. Wait, that's not it. I forgot to mention. We're running a giveaway at the moment with Xtreme Skins, with collaboration with Matt Tyler, game streamer. Check him out if you like gaming, link down below. Be in with a chance to win an Xtreme Skin, a custom one of your choice for any Pixel. Link will be linked below. It's running for another week and a half. Be in it to win it.